Welcome to the BackRoad Bike Rack. The BackRoad Mass-Style Hitch-mounted bike rack is easy to use and comes in a 2-bike or 4-bike option and will fit either a 1¼ inch or 2-inch hitch receiver out of the box. Equally comfortable tackling weekend getaways and week-long trips, the BackRoad is ideal for family adventures that include 2-wheeled exploration. Thanks to its generous spacing, the BackRoad is easy to load and unload and can fit up to 4 bikes at 37.5 pounds each. Depending on the frame, some bikes may require the tube-top accessory to ensure they load securely. The BackRoad features tilt-down arms and mast for easy loading and unloading. Simply use the lever to drop the arms and pull the pin to tilt the rack forward. The 7-inch spacing between bikes helps make sure they go on smoothly, and the padded cradles rotate to help you position your bike. ZipStrip fasteners deliver a solid connection to the rack and are fully removable when not in use. An integrated SKS locking cable securely locks bikes to the rack, so you can feel better during snack breaks or rest stops. Speaking of breaks, if you need to crack open a cold soda or sparkling apple cider, the BackRoad has you covered there too. Okay, let's walk through how to install the BackRoad onto your vehicle. First, confirm what size hitch your vehicle has. If you have a 2-inch receiver opening, leave the tongue of the rack the way it came in the box. For a 1¼ inch receiver, you'll need to remove this set screw with the included hex wrench and remove the adapter from the tongue in order for it to fit properly. Now insert the correct size tongue into the hitch receiver opening and make sure the hole in the tongue is aligned with the hole in the receiver. Then, insert the bolt through the holes and tighten the hitch bolt firmly with the included 19mm wrench. Once it's secure, slide the bridge pin on. Or, if you have a Yakima hitch lock sold separately, install it now. Next, you'll need to attach the mast to the tongue by aligning the holes and inserting the bolt with the appropriate washers to join the tongue and mast together. With the bolt in place, use the two 19mm wrenches to firmly tighten everything up. You're almost done. Once your rack is securely fastened into the receiver, you're good to load up your bikes. First, remove the ZipStrips by pressing on the release tabs. This makes it easier for you to lift the bikes into place. Then, place the heaviest bike onto the rack first, on the cradles closest to the vehicle, and secure it with the ZipStrips by pushing them down until they are snug against the bike's frame. Repeat this step for as many bikes as you need to load, alternating the direction of each bike as you go. Make sure to use the safety strap to ensure all the bikes are secure by threading it through each bike, around the mast, and then tying off any excess. To lock your bikes, wrap the locking cable around the outermost bike and insert it into the lock post, then use the key to fasten it. All set? Awesome! You may want to install a Platemate license plate mount sold separately to ensure your license plate is visible with a fully loaded rack. You're now ready to roll. Wherever the next excursion takes you, you can take it easy.